Hey there, mister.
Hi there.
Excuse me, can you hear me?
Oh, yeah, I hear you.
Must be me. Any chance you can hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh, excellent. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Can I
no.
ask your name?
Chicken Fowley.
I'm looking for you. I'm James Holiday.
Oh, all
Did you get
right.
my telegram by chance?
I was just gonna go read it after I've sold a few things, but you want to do some business?
Yeah, is there any chance you still have the bird or pork?
Yeah, I got some bird and pork. Let me get it out from the bank
How much you
here.
got?
Uh, I think I got. Let's see. I'll have to check. I forget my numbers.
I want all of it, how much it is, however it is.
All right. Excuse me, sir.
Hi there.
Sorry.
You all right, mate?
Especially the bird if you got it.
All right. Let's see. I got 128 pounds of bird meat.
I'll take every bit of it.
All right. And for pork, I got, let's see, 31 pounds.
I'll take all that too.
All right. I'll give you a good deal too. I'll give you all that for, let's say,
It was about 159 pounds, about 160 pounds of meat.
yeah.
I'll give you $250 if you accept it.
All right. I'll take 200 for that just to cut you a deal. All right.
All right.
All right. Okay.
Actually, I'll give you a little something on top too. A little couple things from some out east where I work.
All right. That sounds good.
Keep the flow of business around here. Keep up appearances and whatnot. My name is James Holiday. I'm a lawyer from out east.
Oh, I see. Very nice to meet you, sir. All
All
right.
right. I'm gonna slip $200 in your pocket there.
All right.
There you go. And then why don't you go ahead and pick these up?
All right. I got it. Oh.
This is from the 1900 club a few of my friends own.
Well, thank you, sir. All right, I'm gonna put your pork right here, 31 pounds. Let's see. It's gonna take me a bit to get that bird meat out, but I'll get it all
No
out for
problem.
you.
Thank you.
All right, 64.
I do appreciate it.
All right, here's another 64. Six-four bird meat right there. Okay. I think that was it. Gotta check my bank real quick.
If you ever have that much bird meat again, I'll buy all of it every time.
All right, no problem.
Even if you got smaller amounts, if you want to just like maybe send me a telegram every time you got some, I'll pay you for it. Whatever the market rate is, I'll pay you for it. So you make sure that you're getting some income for yourself.
Oh, I appreciate that, mister.
There's no problem. We're business minded. I like structure. So if you could bring bird meat to us regularly, we would be remarkably appreciative. It's very hard to have.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Pork, I'm just grabbing for an associate of mine. That's not so much on the power list, but I'll grab that from you every time too, because I can just go bring it to my buddy.
All right, I think I gave it to you all. 31 pork and
Yep, 120 bourbon. I got it.
128. Yeah,
Yeah, but beautiful. I cannot stress my appreciation enough. Thank you so much.
of course, of course.
Enjoy those Cajun wings. They're spicy, but they're goddamn good. Let me tell you.
Oh hell, I can't wait to dig into it, Mister.
My name is James Holiday. You ever find yourself in need of a lawyer, you find me. All right.
Oh, absolutely, sir. Thank you.